Yes, you are welcome to today's tutorial. And in this tutorial, we shall be looking at how to do the necessary settings so that you can be able to enjoy the free open tunnel. But before we proceed, please remember to subscribe to my channel by simply tapping on the subscription button and hit subscribe. Let's get started. Now, first of all, you will need to remember that open tunnel works perfectly for 4G networks. So if your phone is not 4G, please remember you won't be able to enjoy that. Now, from our first video I made regarding to open tunnel connection, I made it very clear that before you enjoy the open tunnel, you will need to upload a file or create a file. So the first one was on how to create a file, but most of us have complained and given me comments that they haven't been able to connect because when they try connecting, it appears disconnecting. So this is a very clear step-by-step video tutorial on how to do the settings before you even think of creating the open tunnel files. First of all, you go to your phone settings, as you can see. Then your phone settings, you go to wireless and networks. Then there you go to mobile networks. Then here you go to access point names. So in access point names, you need to set your access point. You can see that I have my network name here, that's MTN. Then below it you see internet. Then you have another person like MMS. Then you can see that there's a blue thing at the MMS. You're supposed to set your MMS before you can be able to enjoy the open tunnel free internet connection. First of all, you will need to set it by going to a three dots. Then you see enter new APN. So here you enter the APN name, and that is MMS. Save. Go to the next one, MMS. Save. You are done. Then you save it. You proceed. Now you can see that I have about 3 MMS names here, APN. So if I select the first one, which happen to be with the internet, it means I want to use a data bundle I have in my SIM. But if I don't select this, it means that I will need to select MMS so that I'll be able to enjoy the open tunnel for the internet connectivity. So you will need to select any of these. It doesn't matter the number of them you have, because I've just used this illustration. That is why I've created another one. If not, you just need to create one, and either you are on MMS to use the open tunnel or you are on the internet to use your own data bundle. Now remember this, if you already have data bundle in your phone, then your settings is on the internet. If you go to open the open tunnel and you try to run the open tunnel, it will appear connected. However, because it is not on the MMS, you will be using your own data bundle thinking that you are using the open tunnel. So you need to make sure that your settings it is on the MMS so that you can start to use the open tunnel. Please, if you don't follow these directives, you won't be able to use it. Now remember that if I am also already using my internet connection and I probably disconnect and it is on the MMS, even if I have data bundle here and I don't change it to the MTN, or let me say, it doesn't matter the network you are using, it will be Vodafone or whatever, it's still going to be the same instruction. If I don't change it here, even if I have data bundle and I stop my open tunnel, it will still not work because I have not changed it to use my data bundle. So you try to browse and they say that you don't have data. So remember to do all these settings appropriately. And when that is done, you now need to go and download and install your open tunnel from the Play Store. So you go to Play Store, then at the Play Store you need to search for it. You just type in OpenTunnel, then it will appear for you to download. Now here you can see I have uninstalled and I have open. Because I already installed it, that is why you are seeing these options. If you haven't installed, you see install here, then cancel. Then when you are done with that, you just need to go there and then open it. Then if it is because I'm already using it for this tutorial, that is why you are seeing stop here. So if I stop it, it will stop functioning. If you just download it and you see start here, and you tap on start. But remember that you will need a file to be able to operate with the OpenTunnel. There are 3 ways of getting the file. The first 2 ways have to do with you getting it from the social media, and that is Telegram group and that of the WhatsApp. Now, if you want to get a file, you need to go to the Telegram group, and of which I will leave the Telegram group link below. You go to the Telegram, then you look for the group that you think the file is, or if someone has sent to you. But assuming my file has been sent to me or is posted in a group like EdTech, which happened to be a Telegram group of over 10,000 subscribers, and the OpenTunnel file ends with TNL. So you come to the group and look for TNL, any file with the extension TNL. You can see here you have TNL here with that is the extension. It means this file is OpenTunnel. This one is SKS. It means SOC STTP. So we have other VPN apps, but the best one among them all is the OpenTunnel. We have the injector here, which its extension is EHI. You need to leave all those ones and look for the one with the extension TNL and tap on it. The moment you tap on it, you will see a pop-up message here saying configuration is successful. So you need to go back to your OpenTunnel, open the OpenTunnel, and here you see start. Then you tap on it. It will load the files and they will tell you connected. And the moment you connect it, you don't need to close the app. You need to minimize the app this way and you start your browsing. Please, you can also get the OpenTunnel files on WhatsApp. Maybe someone sent it to you, and that one you don't need to go to tap on the file in the WhatsApp. You need to go to the app here. Then you can see something like this. When you tap there, you see options like import and export. This export configuration is when you personally created your file and you want to export it to someone. But the import here, you want to import, you tap on import. Because I am already using the app, before you import a file, you will need to stop it from working. Then you import the file. So you go to this option here, tap on import configuration. So wherever you go to your phone storage, and if the file was sent to you on Telegram, you go to the Telegram folder. If it was sent to you on WhatsApp, you go to the WhatsApp folder and select the OpenTunnel file there. When you tap on it, it will be imported into the app for you to begin using. So when you import the app finish, then you now come and tap on start so that it will start to connect. Now, after that is done, if you want to actually know how to create the OpenTunnel file yourself, then you will need to watch my first video on OpenTunnel, which is also in this same YouTube channel. If you can't find it, I will put the link in this video description just below it. But please do not forget, as I told you, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. There are a whole lot of videos there. Videos not only on OpenTunnel, but videos on the computer learning, ICT, and all that. So you remember to subscribe on the subscription button, and make sure that when you subscribe, you get our latest update. Just subscribe. Take care, and nice meeting you. I know this video has been helpful to you, and I know you will begin using the OpenTunnel file. Thank you very much, and take care.